Chef, dahil nga first time ko makapag-business class, I'm excited to share my experience and review ng Hong Kong Airlines Business Class. Sa business class, usually may kasama itong lounge access. Kaya bago mag-boarding, tinry ko muna ang kanilang lounge. Hong Kong Airlines has only one lounge sa Hong Kong International Airport, located near gate 201 to 230, and it's called Club Autus. To access, all you need to do is present your boarding pass, pero they only allow entry 3 hours before your flight. Syempre, hindi pwedeng tumambay dito buong araw. Bawal ang abuso. Pagpasok ko, napansin ko agad na minimalist ang design ng lounge, tapos clean and spacious. Tapos meron pa sila ditong pang photo ops. And thankfully, hindi rin crowded. Meron silang buffet, pero since morning ang flight namin, breakfast lang ang available. They offer western-style pancakes, waffles, hash browns, glutinous rice wrapped in lotus leaf, siomai, Chinese-style noodles, congee, boiled eggs, and salad bar. At may selection din ng bread. For drinks, meron silang cold brew teas, orange juice. Surprisingly, kahit umaga pa lang, pwede na rin mag-wine. Of course, I decided to try it all. Para lang mas organized, kinuha ko nung kumuha ko sa buffet is kinrup ko per cuisine ng food sa isang plato. Because I wanted to enjoy the full experience of each cuisine bago lumipat sa iba. Pro tip para sa orange juice, lagyan nyo ng lemon slice para ma-enhance yung flavor niya. Ito na lahat ng kinuha ko. Tara, kainan na! Una kong tinikman is yung congee. It is simple yet comforting, lalo na if paired with boiled egg. The siomai was surprisingly delicious, much better than sa street food versions. Yung Chinese noodles naman were savory and balanced, not too salty kahit mukhang maraming soy sauce. The glutinous rice in lotus leaf naman reminded me of chicken pastil back home, pero ito is malagkit lang na kanin. For me, it felt heavy for breakfast. So far, dito medyo disappointing lang yung bread, kasi matigas. Maybe dahil nahanginan na and walang option to toast or reheat, pero okay na rin basta isasaw lang sa mainit na kape. And same goes for the bagel. Next for the western dishes, the hash browns were crispy and not too oily, which I like. The pancakes were a bit dry but became enjoyable with syrup. On the other hand, the waffles were still crispy and tasted better than the pancakes in my opinion. Kahit na paborito ko pa yung pancake. For drinks, the orange juice stood out, it didn't taste fake. Na-enhance pa ng lemon slice na nilagay ko, pro tip yan. Since naghahanap ako ng dessert, napansin ko na may hidden corner pala with more drink options, pero wala akong mahanap na dessert. Probably dahil breakfast buffet pa lang. I settled for yogurt, which is a good alternative. Aside from food, may massage area din pala dito sa lounge na free, kaya syempre tinry ko na din. At syempre ito yung best place para mag-siesta, habang naghihintay ng boarding time. Pagdating ng boarding time, I headed to the plane and good thing nakatabi lang nitong lounge yung boarding gate. Also pala, one of the perks ng naka-business class is priority kung mauna kayong mag-board sa plane. I was immediately impressed by the business class cabin. Maluwag, modern, and very classy. Nagustuhan ko rin yung color theme ng HK Airlines. Upon seating, they have already provided essentials like bottled water and headphones instead of regular earphones na better for sound quality, comfy pillows, and a super soft duvet. Ang lambot ng duvet, parang gusto kong iwi. Bago mag-take off, nagsaserve agad sila ng signature iced lemon tea ng Hong Kong Airlines, and it was really refreshing. Of course, meron silang safety guidelines and product brochure dito sa upuan. Pero na-miss ko yung parang ibon na pwede mong kuskusin doon sa pabango. Sayang naman ang saya sana kung ganun. Meron ding infotainment system, though limited ang selection ng movies, mostly old titles, which is a bit disappointing. Nagkataon pa na hindi gumagana yung game section sa seat ko, sayang. Okay, moving on. I just focus on relaxing and exploring other perks na lang. Like safetyness ng seatbelt, some ads sa infotainment, demonstration ng safety procedures ng cabin crews, at kung ano-ano pa. De joke lang. The seat itself naman was very comfortable. It reclines almost flat, kaya perfect for relaxing or sleeping. Nag-request ako ng orange juice and it tasted just as good as in the lounge. Tinry ko rin brewed coffee nila, pero medyo lasang sunog, so hindi ko rin masyado na-enjoy. Di nagtagal, dumating na rin yung meal service and my wife ordered beef curry while I choose chicken breast with ratatouille. They provide wet wipes to sanitize. Sabi nga diba, wash hands before you eat. Wala lang, gusto ko lang sabihin. Meron ding separate na dining napkin and also stainless utensils ang gamit nila, which I appreciate, because it felt more premium and eco-friendly compared to disposables. May nag-iikot pala na cabin crew na nag-offer ng garlic breads and soft rolls. Of course, I asked for garlic bread dahil favorite ko to. Una ko tinikman yung chicken breast. Masarap dahil moist at hindi siya dry kainin. The tomato sauce was well balanced, hindi sobrang asim. Yung broccoli, medyo matigas lang for my liking. Pero yung potatoes talaga yung nagustuhan ko. Creamy at perfect yung lambot. Sorry naman kung na-excite ako sa main dish, nakalimutan kong may salad pala. Magandang variety ng greens at yung honey yuzu dressing was delicious. At may pumpkin seeds pa for additional crunch. Now, the garlic bread. Medyo mataas ang standard ko sa garlic bread dahil favorite ko talaga to. But so far, masarap siya for me dahil crispy pa rin and eksakto yung pagiging buttery and garlicky neto. And for the soft roll, almost similar sa Outback's bread. Masarap at soft yung bread na bagay sa butter. Pero preferred ko lang yung may cream cheese. But still, it was enjoyable. Yung fruits naman, lasang fresh and okay din yung variety. May dragon fruit, honeydew, apple, watermelon, tapos pineapple. At ayun, sa wakas makapag-dessert na din ako. For dessert, they had 2 ice cream flavors, ube and vanilla. As a fan of ube, yun ang pinili ko. And it didn't disappoint. I think they are promoting this Hong Kong made ice cream na may nostalgic look. It even reminded me of a bread ice cream combo back home. So humingi ako ng tinapay at nilagay ko yung ice cream sa loob. It was nostalgic and delicious. At may bonus pa. Chocolate from Lucky Loose, which is also a Hong Kong brand. The chocolate had a creamy feeling that was very satisfying. After eating, I tried the massage chair on board again, pero unfortunately hindi na gumagana. To wind down, I requested the champagne and it was okay, pero hindi pasok sa panlasa. Pero inubos ko pa rin, sayang eh. Again, siesta time na ulit. Pero bago yun, overall, the experience was enjoyable, the service was good, and the food was decent. With a few hits and misses, it's definitely a great way to travel comfortably and feel pampered, kahit may lang room for improvement. That's it for my review. See you on my next vlog. Bye!